Hey guys, Tim from Doc's Auto. We've got a bunch of stuff going on here the next few weeks. No car flips right now. The X5 we were looking at went well beyond our budget, so we will just keep holding out for a new vehicle for us. It is getting a little bit towards fall and winter here, so we're not going to have the shop space. All the cars got to go in the garage in the winter. And right now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars plus a lawnmower to go in a 3-car garage. One of those vehicles is a 1-ton, full 8-foot box, dually diesel pickup. So that's going to be a challenge. Anyways, today we have some engine repair on the Cub Cadet lawn tractor. What would you do? It's a lawn tractor, but hey, it's got wheels and an engine. So there we go. Coming up, we will also have, if I get back on camera, the replacing the differential seal in the tractor because it's leaking all over the garage right now. And then coming up real soon, we're going to do plugs and brakes on the 2015 Subaru Outback, and also review the Lang tool caliper spreader. And hopefully that will work out for us as well. Coming up soon too, also on the Copart go-kart, we will have a review of the Carly OBD device and see how that works and see if that can take care of our obnoxious ding on startup, and also the automatic lock, because that is annoying. Anyways, let's go get working on the Cub. All right, guys, you already saw me post last week about the failed gasket. And this is a little sucker here. You can see it definitely wore out here. And here's the new one. Clearly a difference between old and new. Now, I discovered this by, over time I heard sort of a squeaking sound. I thought was metal rubbing on metal, and that was not the case. And upon better inspection last week, I took it more apart and discovered there was a exhaust leak. I thought it may have been one of the fittings from the exhaust off the engine, or something just simply cracked. And no, the gasket had blown through, and this stud bolt had worked its way all the way clean out and just was rattling in here. So while I did get a new stud to replace it, I'm going to also throw some Loctite in here because it looks like it may have rounded itself out just a bit over time, and I don't want to have it open up again and fail. So we'll throw on our new gasket and do some good old time lapse. quick, give it a fire up, and see if it sounds any better. The initial problem was kind of a wheezing sound and difficult to start. So we shall see what we get here. I don't know if this tractor has ever been this quiet since it's been around me. All right there, so thank you for watching. A little warm in the garage. It's still 80s here in Minnesota. Towards the end of September, yay, second summer, third summer, whatever you want to call it. So we will check back next couple of days here. Got some work to do on the Copart go-kart, the 2007 X3. We've got a couple of idler pulleys for it, and then the Subaru Outback missing from here needs brakes and spark plugs. So we'll do that, and what you see behind me here under the tarp is a 1975 Triumph Spitfire. Now, this was passed on to me from my father. It was put away in storage when I turned 16. I wonder why. Anyways, we have a brand new frame, or a new to me frame, that has been following me around for the last 12, 13 years, waiting until I have time and space to do a restoration. So at some point, once the shop comes, we will do a frame-off restoration of that car, paint, all the mechanics, body, engine, transmission, basically bring it up to as current as we can today. Disc brakes all around, not adding in a bunch of other electronic stuff, more stuff to go wrong, but it's a 96 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine. Can't get in a whole lot of trouble, so we will have that long time down the road, but just something to look forward to. Thanks. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, if you like this or if you don't like it, just go ahead and hit subscribe. You can watch it, you can laugh at me, poke fun, just get some subscribers. Maybe a sponsor or two. Because all these tools I've got don't pay for themselves. So, again, thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.